my prayer is that there is no 11th assembly without a review of the Nigerian constitution.
Oh.
We shouldn't go into any further elections in this country.
Really?
Because I have told you that if Jesus Christ and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would come together and form an alliance and run this country with the constitution that they have, and they make the Ogunonire the Speaker of the National Parliament, we are not going anywhere with that constitution.
Without constitution.
We have to change the constitution. So rather than politicians preparing for the next election, I want to be in the 11th assembly, rather let us see that 11th assembly is a new assembly that could actually be the first assembly of a new republic, the first assembly with a parliamentary democracy as what is the main thing in the constitution, the first parliament that would recognize other parliaments in the federating units or sub-regions or states or whatever they are called, each having its own constitution too, and running government in such a way that rather than the chairman of a local government begging to Abuja for his livelihood and the running of his little entity, the state governor, rather than staying put in a state, is also running to Abuja to beg for a mining license to mine gold that is under his foot in Elisha in Osun State. Then everybody will now have a new constitution, a new assembly. So instead of the 11th assembly, it will be the first assembly, perhaps of the 5th Republic of Nigeria. What we truly need is that the Yorubas have a proverb. I don't know whether it's a proverb or a saying. So let the North grow at its pace. Let the North control its own resources. Let the North determine how many local government councils, how many states and whatever they want to have. Let the West of old, the old Western region or wherever all the Yorubas are, come together and have their own either Western region or Western states. And within our Western region or Western state, let us determine how many provinces we want to have. Let us determine how many district councils and municipal councils we want to have. Then in that case, will it matter to you if you have 1 million special advisors in the north?
I'm sure nobody will.
Special advisors will be northerners. And will it matter if I am satisfied as premier of Western region with only 4 special advisors? Those 4 special advisors will be you.